champion, I hope you're doing well. I am Nini and I welcome you back to the channel that is less of mine and more of us. Have you ever put off a project or a task until the very last minute?
We all have done that, right?
Do you also have a big assignment due tomorrow that you haven't even started working on? Or a pile of laundry that's grown so big that it feels like another roommate? Or that messy book rack that has been waiting for decades to get organized? I feel you, champion. Few months back, I too was this person. But why few months back? Why am I not that person today? What happened after that? Here's the thing. In today's video, we will be talking about 2 rules that helped me overcome procrastination in a major way. They are called the 5-minute rule and the 2-minute rule. These aren't any magic tricks, but rather simple and very effective tools that can help you defeat procrastination quickly. Do give them a try. These 2 rules are totally worth it. Rule number 1, the 5-minute rule, your gateway to getting started. Here's the deal. Sometimes the hardest part is just getting started, right? That's where the 5-minute rule comes in. The idea is super simple. When faced with a daunting task, commit to doing it for just 5 minutes. That's it. 5 short minutes. Think about it. How bad can 5 minutes of work at a task be? Probably not that bad. But guess what? Often those 5 minutes turn into 20, then 30, then 40, and before you realizing it, you are actually making progress. The key is to trick your brain. It thinks it's a small manageable task, but you end up getting stuck into the productive zone and finish the task without even realizing it. Our brain needs just 5 minutes to get into this zone. Remember, you have to trick your own brain. So do it your way. Play very smartly because your brain is much more smarter than you. In my case, I used to tell my brain that I'll do this particular task for just 5 minutes and then I'll give you a treat. That treat can be anything. A walk on the terrace or watching an episode of a web series or watching a movie or an ice cream treat or my favorite one, buying myself a book. Just 5 minutes. And then boom! Without even realizing it, I end up finishing my task. That's what you too have to do. Trick your brain, bribe it, and sit with the task for just 5 minutes. That's it. 5 short minutes and you will end up finishing your task. Rule number 2, the 2-minute rule. Crushing tiny tasks. This rule tackles those little to-do list monsters that take forever to complete but pile up guilt points like crazy. Be it folding laundry or returning that book to the library or replying to an email or just changing the bed sheet. The 2-minute rule says if a task can be completed in 2 or less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. Think about it. How much time do you spend in thinking about completing those tiny tasks? Probably much more than 2 minutes, right? So by knocking them off right away, you not only free up your mental space, but also protect yourself from that constant low-key stress. It's like a mini victory dance every 2 minutes. If there's any task that will take 2 or less than 2 minutes to complete, go and do them right now. And then come back to this video and in the comments, do let us know how many little to-do list monsters have you killed now. Let's see who kills the most number of to-do monsters today. Now it's your turn. Bring these 2 rules into practice and trust me, my friend, you will not regret it and also you will thank me for this one. Remember, champion, these 2 rules are just beginnings. Experiment and find out what works best for you and most importantly, be kind to yourself. Beating procrastination is a very, very, very long journey. It's an ongoing journey and not a destination. Never ever forget this. Okay? And yes, don't forget to kill those little to-do monsters now, and do let us know in the comments how many monsters have you killed today. If you have any feedback for me or any question for me, drop them in the comments below, and I'll see you on Thursday at 5:15 p.m. sharp. Until then, remember that you are a champion, and worry less, live more.